Welcome to Accelerate Wealth Building, your ultimate resource for smart investing, passive income, and financial freedom. Subscribe to accelerate your financial journey. Let's get started. Making $10,000 in just 1 month might sound impossible to many, but with the right mindset, strategy, and execution, it is entirely achievable, even for those starting from scratch. When I set this goal for myself, I knew I couldn't rely on just one source of income. Instead, I had to diversify my income streams, leverage the power of the internet, and find ways to generate both active and passive income. The biggest mistake most people make when trying to earn more money is thinking that a single job or business alone will help them reach their financial goals. However, in today's digital economy, the most successful people don't just have one source of income, they have multiple. That's exactly what I focused on. I identified a combination of freelancing, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, e-commerce, and crypto investments to create a sustainable and scalable income that allowed me to break the $10,000 mark in just 30 days. In this guide, I will walk you through exactly what I did, the platforms I used, and the strategies I followed so that you can apply them to your own journey and start making serious money online. The first step I took was identifying high-income opportunities that would allow me to make significant money within a short time. I didn't have the luxury of waiting months or years for a business to grow. I needed cash flow immediately while also building long-term, scalable income streams. This led me to focus on 4 main areas: freelancing, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, and e-commerce. Each of these had the potential to generate income quickly, and by combining them strategically, I was able to maximize my earnings without over-relying on just one method. To kick things off, I started freelancing as it was the fastest way to generate immediate income. I had some experience in writing and marketing, so I offered services like copywriting, social media management, and graphic design on platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. However, I knew that landing high-paying clients wouldn't be easy, especially in the beginning. To stand out, I created a professional profile showcasing my skills, testimonials, and a portfolio of sample work. One of the biggest mistakes many new freelancers make is underpricing their services. So instead of charging low rates, I positioned myself as an expert and priced my services competitively. Additionally, I used LinkedIn to directly reach out to potential clients, offering value-driven proposals. Within the first 2 weeks, I secured multiple high-ticket projects, generating around $3,000 in revenue. A major turning point was when I started packaging my services instead of charging by the hour. For example, instead of charging $25 per hour for writing, I created content packages where clients could order multiple articles at a fixed price, allowing me to earn more in less time. While freelancing brought in quick cash, I knew I needed passive income sources to truly scale my earnings beyond just trading time for money. This is where affiliate marketing came into play. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning commissions from every sale made through your referral link. I focused on high-ticket affiliate programs that offered commissions between $100 to $500 per sale, making it easier to hit my income goal. Instead of randomly posting affiliate links, I created valuable content in the form of blog posts, YouTube videos, and social media posts to drive targeted traffic to my affiliate offers. I focused on digital products and services related to online business, such as email marketing tools, website hosting, and automation software. By using SEO, search engine optimization, and running small paid ad campaigns, I was able to generate consistent traffic, which led to $2,500 in affiliate commissions within the month. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that once your content ranks and gains traction, it continues to generate income passively without requiring ongoing effort. Another powerful income stream I created was selling digital products, which turned out to be a game changer for my earnings. I put together an ebook and an online course based on my expertise in freelancing and online marketing. My ebook, priced at $29 per copy, was a beginner-friendly guide on how to make money online through freelancing and affiliate marketing. Since digital products require no inventory, no shipping, and no production costs, they have an incredibly high profit margin. I marketed my ebook through my blog, Instagram, and an email list, selling over 50 copies and generating $1,500 in passive income. To take things a step further, I launched a mini course on Teachable, priced at $97, teaching people how to start an online business. By promoting it through my blog, targeted ads, and partnerships with influencers, I managed to enroll 20 students, bringing in an additional $1,940 in revenue. The best part about digital products is that once they are created, they continue to sell over time without additional effort, making them one of the best long-term passive income sources. In addition to freelancing, affiliate marketing, and digital products, I also ventured into e-commerce and print-on-demand, POD. I set up a Shopify store and integrated it with Printful and Redbubble, which allowed me to sell t-shirts, hoodies, and coffee mugs without handling inventory or shipping. I created simple, trendy designs targeting niche markets, such as motivational quotes for entrepreneurs and fitness-themed apparel. By leveraging Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok marketing, I was able to drive organic traffic to my store, resulting in $1,200 in sales within the first month. Finally, to add an additional passive income stream, I invested in crypto staking and DeFi, decentralized finance. I allocated $2,000 into staking Ethereum and stablecoins through platforms like Binance and Kraken, which provided an annual return of 5 to 10%. While this wasn't a major portion of my income, it generated an extra $350 to $500 in passive earnings, contributing to my overall goal. By the end of the month, my earnings broke down as follows: freelancing, $3,000, affiliate marketing, $2,500, digital product sales, $1,500, online course, $1,940, print on demand, $1,200, and crypto staking, $350, totaling over $10,000. The biggest lesson I learned through this experience is that success in making money online is all about diversification, automation, and consistency. Many people fail because they rely on just one source of income, but by combining multiple streams, I was able to achieve my goal faster than expected. If you're looking to replicate these results, I highly recommend focusing on a high-income skill like freelancing, adding passive income sources such as affiliate marketing and digital product sales, and exploring scalable online business models like e-commerce and crypto investing. With dedication, the right mindset, and a willingness to take action, anyone can achieve the $10,000 per month milestone and create long-term financial freedom. The most important thing is to start now, take consistent action, and never stop learning. Financial independence is closer than you think. It all starts with a plan and the determination to make it happen. Thank you for watching. Enjoyed this video? Subscribe for more proven strategies on wealth building, passive income, and smart investing. Comment your thoughts below, and we'll see you next time.